Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. It is December 28th, 2022. We are almost at the end of this calendar year, and we are still waiting for ATF's new rule to drop as it relates to firearms with attached stabilizing braces. Now, we already did a video where we thought it was going to drop on Friday, December 23rd, and I'll just take ownership right now. I was wrong. However, we have some pretty concrete evidence as to what explains this delay. It looks like the rule is going to drop next month now. So let's spend a couple of quick minutes here and get you all up to speed on huge news on ATF's new pistol brace rule. Okay, quick video for you guys here. I'm going to slap this together and get it online for you as fast as I can. On December 28th, we found this on Twitter, that in the lawsuit of the Second Amendment Foundation v. the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms. So, Second Amendment Foundation versus ATF, filed in the Northern District of Texas, which is a lawsuit to challenge ATF's gross overreach into the world of pistol braces, thus classifying all these firearms now as federally regulated short barrel rifles. As you know, the parties had previously asked for a stay of the proceedings back in May because they were awaiting the publication of the new rule. That motion was granted. It was agreed upon by all parties. And so basically this case was just put on a big, huge pause button. And the court essentially said, hey, listen, we're just going to wait for the new rule to drop, and then we can start hashing this all out. So everyone's on a timeout right now. Well, the parties were due back in court this month to give a court an update as to what was occurring, and they have filed another new joint status report, which now says that ATF's new pistol brace rule will be published next month, January of 2023. It is important. It's going to be published in January of 2023, roughly about 3 to 4 weeks from now. In addition to that, though, the parties have also requested another opportunity to file another joint status report on February 27th of 2023. So even though the parties are saying that the rule is going to publish in January of 23, they're not asking for another joint status conference until the end of February. Now, if I were going to look at the month of January and use the same logic, which didn't do me particularly well on this video right here, but if I was going to look for a day in that month in which we would have a nice, quiet little news cycle to drop things out, that would, of course, be the Friday before a 3-day weekend. What 3-day weekend do we have in January? We have Martin Luther King Day weekend. This year, that falls on Monday, January 16th, which appropriately makes the day to drop this rule, if you're the ATF and you want to do it with a quiet little rollout, Friday, January 13th. How appropriate that they would drop this rule on a Friday the 13th. Obviously, as we learn more, we will keep you posted. And as soon as this new rule drops, the day that the rule drops, Washington Gun Law will be going live that evening. We'll figure out the time. It will probably be about 7 o'clock Pacific time. And we're going to go live. We'll get some couple of other guests online, and we will figure out what the hell this rule really means to all of you, the lawful and responsible gun owner nationwide. In the meantime, if you got any questions about this, you guys know the drill. You can always contact us at WashingtonGunLaw.com, or, of course, you can call us directly at 425-765-0487. In the meantime, let's remember, part of being the lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here at Washington Gun Law, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay safe.